New to investing and wondering where to start? Investing is like planting seeds today for a bountiful harvest tomorrow. It's a way to grow your wealth, beat inflation, and secure your future. In this video, we'll introduce you to 5 accessible and profitable types of investments: the stock market, mutual funds, bonds, real estate, and exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. By the end of this video, you will have a basic understanding of these 5 investment options and be better equipped to start your investing journey. First on our list is the stock market. Stock market investing is all about buying shares or pieces of a company. When the company does well, so do you. With the potential for high returns, it's an attractive option. But remember, it's not a guaranteed win. Stock prices can fluctuate based on a multitude of factors, so it's crucial to understand risk management. Some key points for beginners are to start small, diversify your portfolio, and consistently monitor the market trends. It's also beneficial to seek advice from financial advisors or use investment apps that guide you through the process. While the stock market can be a bit intimidating for beginners, with the right knowledge and strategy, it can be an excellent investment option. Next, we have mutual funds. Now, what are these exactly? Well, imagine a pool of money collected from multiple investors, which is then invested in a variety of securities like stocks, bonds, and other assets. This is what we call a mutual fund. It's like a basket of investments, handpicked and managed by professionals. This feature makes it particularly appealing for beginners. You see, investing in mutual funds means you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. You're diversifying your investments, spreading the risk across different sectors and companies. So even if one investment doesn't perform well, others might. Mutual funds offer a way for beginners to invest in a diversified portfolio without needing a lot of money or market expertise. Third on our list is bonds. Bonds are essentially IOUs issued by entities like governments or corporations. When you purchase a bond, you're lending your money to these entities in exchange for regular interest payments. Now, compared to the stock market, bonds are generally safer. Why? Because even if the entity goes bankrupt, bondholders get paid before stockholders. This relative safety, combined with a steady income stream, makes bonds a good choice for beginners. Bonds provide a steady income stream and are a safer investment option, making them a good choice for beginners. Fourth on our list is real estate. This refers to properties consisting of land or buildings. Investing in real estate can be a profitable venture for beginners because it offers 2 types of returns. First, there's the rental income. This is a steady stream of cash flow that can act as a safety net, even in times of economic downturns. Second, there's appreciation. Over time, the value of the property tends to increase, resulting in a substantial profit when sold. The beauty of real estate is the control it gives to the investor. You have the power to improve the property and increase its value. So, if you're a beginner looking for a hands-on investment with a steady income and appreciation potential, real estate could be your ticket. Real estate can be a profitable investment option, offering both rental income and appreciation potential. Last but not least, we have ETFs or exchange-traded funds. ETFs are an exciting option for beginners because they serve as a basket of various securities. You can think of them as a blend of stocks, bonds, or commodities. They work similarly to mutual funds, but with a twist. ETFs are traded on exchanges, much like individual stocks. This means you can buy and sell ETFs throughout the trading day. For beginners, ETFs offer the benefit of diversification, which essentially means you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. With ETFs, you get a wide exposure to different companies and sectors, reducing the risk of loss. Plus, they are easy to trade, even for those new to investing. ETFs combine the best of stocks and mutual funds, offering diversification and ease of trading, making them an excellent choice for beginners. And there you have it, the top 5 investments for beginners in 2025. From the dynamic world of stocks to the stability of bonds, the diversity of mutual funds, the tangibility of real estate, and the versatility of ETFs. Remember, the key to successful investing is knowledge, patience, and a well-diversified portfolio. Happy investing!